Right fellas, beer number 5 of 9. This is from Schnuz, Elderberry bitter. I've opened this off camera because it was quite overcarbed. I did salvage most of it, so see there we've got a nice colour actually, so we can get some there, so it's not kicked too much sediment up, so we'll go with as it is. Cheers, and cheers against Schnuz. So parents over carbs, it's hard to tell, isn't it, with beers like this. I think it's to do with the, I don't think it's a primary sugar. I've done a elderflower champagne, and they have natural sugars on them and yeast, and they can re-ferment. I think that's what's happening in the bottle. So apart from that, almost looks like a raspberry wheat beer-esque. So on the sniff. There is like a fruity, like a berry on your own, but not massive. Let's dive in and cheers. Oh, I should say it's 4%, so it's a great session strength. Cheers. Ooh, that's tangy. That is tangy, that. Wasn't expecting that, to be honest. That's really refreshing, that. I'd say it's more like a, it's on the realms of like a cider type of wheat, like a raspberry wheat beer on the taste, as opposed to a bitter, I think, anyway. Shame about the carbonation, but other than that, it's really, that's a decent drink, that. Marks. I wish I'd done all the marks at the end and retrospectively even, because it's difficult once you've started one. You've got to try and follow. So I'm trying to mark each one subjectively, and as I'm finding them, and that's a really good beer. That I like that. What we're marking. I'm going to give that 8 out of 10. Cheers. Cheers again, Schnuz, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in a bit.